our backend technology is really the secret sauce. I mean, number one, we don't use a relational database. We use Mongo, and you've got a combination of non-relational and relational. So it's great for advanced data analytics as well as handling sophisticated and complicated data needs. We have a microservices architecture, and a good example of this is this: if you've got an old legacy application, that's essentially, it's a monolithic app. And what I mean by that is, even if you were to host that in AWS on Amazon Web Services, you're taking your application, installing it on a server, and then if you need to scale, what are you going to do? You're going to add more resources, right? You're going to add more, memory, storage, etc. We've got a microservices architecture. So our application is divided up in very small little programs called microservices. These microservices are then installed in 100 different servers. So not only can we serve vertically, where we can add more resources vertically, we can also distribute our application into 100 or even 1,000 different server clusters on Amazon, which means that our application can never go down. A microservice can go down, but the application can never go down. So it's that resiliency, the scaling, the ability to do that is really important. We are the first cloud native solution out there because our application was born in the cloud. When we launched this in 2016, we didn't have servers because we couldn't afford servers. So what do we do? We actually got a startup account with Amazon. They actually give it to you for free, and you could build your application without needing a server. So our application was hosted and was actually born and hosted on AWS from the start.